Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today we're going to be unboxing the April Glossybox, which came in May. But I know that everything's a little backed up right now, so I'm not going to complain because I still get my stuff. So let's see what we have inside. Alright, let's get into it. Where's the flappy flap?
It's on the front.
Oh.
What's that?
See what the box. Oh, it's just standard, normal.
Pink.
I know, usually it's pink.
Oh.
So here is our April Glossybox. And let's see what's inside. I'm not going to look.
Want me to tell you what the theme is?
Oh, I look at the theme. Oh, the theme is beautiful. So the theme is Blossom. And it comes wrapped with this nice bow. Okay, I'm not looking.
There's a sticker.
A little sticker.
Yeah.
That is what the box looks like.
Very nicely packed. They're always nicely
Presented.
done.
Yeah. All right, let's see what's inside. So this is a $25 a month US subscription, so everybody knows. And the first item is Collab Dry Shampoo. I love dry shampoo. It's the original fragrance. It's amazing oil absorption without white residue. Well, that's nice.
What's it smell like?
I'm gonna see.
Oh, wow. That came out pretty.
It's got a fresh scent. So that is item number 1. Okay, item number 2.
What's that?
Another shaky bottle. So this is from Leighton Denny. It's a Miracle Mist Speed Drying Spray. Oh, for nail polish. Well, that's cool.
How does that work?
It is a lightweight and handbag friendly. Miracle Mist is the ultimate polish drying spray. Nail color is ready to go in seconds, and it's perfect for giving cuticles a moisturizing vitamin E boost. Well, that's very cool. I've never seen anything like that before.
It's like a quick clear coat then. Oh, top came off.
Okay, broke the top.
You didn't break it, they just popped off.
Okay, so the top fell off. But, yeah, so that's item number 2. Very cool. Definitely give that a try. I don't ever paint my nails because I tend to smudge them and chip them. So maybe that would help. So let's see what else we get. Okay, so item number 3 is from the brand Avant. And we get this a lot in subscription boxes, don't we, Jay? This brand.
Well,
So this is the Rose Papaya Vitamin B5, Proline, Alanine Papaya, Age Nutri Revive. So this is, after all those words, it's a gentle rose beautifying face exfoliant. Let's see if it smells like roses.
Is it gritty then? Is it?
I'm going to test that out too. Okay, so it does smell like roses. And it does have a very fine grit. It smells a lot like roses. It's a very powerful scent.
No papaya?
I don't know what papaya smells like actually.
I think maybe.
But here, smell my hand. I think it's mostly rose.
Well, it's a lot of rose. That's
so rosy.
It's nice. I like rose. I like roses.
So that's item number 3. All right, item number 4. Oh, that's weird.
What?
So these are Inked by Danny temporary tattoos. They're hand drawn and cruelty free. Oh, they're cute.
Put them on your ankle.
Could put them on my ankle. I mean, I don't know that I'll use these because I got the real ones, so I don't really need.
You're so badass.
I'm so badass. Yeah, with my flowers and my music quotes. So that's item number 4. I'm gonna cut these up and give them to the girls, the kids. Yeah, but still that's cool. Cool thing to get. All right, item number 5. Oh, it's a nail polish. That's a pretty color for spring.
It's a big one. It's a
Yeah.
lot of nail polish there, isn't it?
It's Be Your Incredible Self with Nails Inc. And it's in the shade Blossom Kisses. So this will give me a good opportunity to try this as well.
You should do one of your nails.
I know, but I don't know if I'm ready to commit.
Just do one of them.
To nail polish, right?
Is it a child-proof seal?
Could you open that for me, please?
What if I can't?
Oh, you
You
open
have
it quite
to-
easily.
Ready, Teddy, lefty, loosey.
I was doing that.
Oh. Well, that's probably... Oh. Is that supposed to happen?
I don't know. If it's supposed to happen, then it won't happen. It's got a nice wide applicator. Definitely smells like nail polish. Okay, let's give it a try. What finger should I do?
Do your pinky.
My pinky. How about I do my ring finger? No, that's not a nice finger. I'll just do my thumb because it's big. It's a very pretty color.
How soon do you wait before you can spray the other stuff on there, do you think? Like right away? It's
Maybe.
for helping it dry, it said. So
yeah.
Spray it right on there.
So that...
Oh, actually, we lost the top. Darn.
Oh, yeah. Shoot. I lost the top. So that is the color. It's very pretty pink. And there's Jason's face.
I don't know where it went. Hi.
All right. I'm going to put you on hold while we find that. So we've located the top. So directions are after applying
Spray onto nails.
nail polish and top coat. I don't have top coat, so we're not going to do that. Allow a minute setting time before lightly spraying nails from approximately 20 centimeters away for super quick touch dry nails.
20 centimeters, like.
Has it been a minute?
Yeah, wave it around.
All right, I'm going to try it. 20 centimeters is what, like this?
About 8 inches, I think.
2/3 of a ruler.
Yeah. Oh, wow, that's a lot. Okay, stop. You're going to cryogenically freeze your hand. Don't touch it. Is it dry already?
Well, it's supposed to be.
Is it?
No.
Yeah.
So let's give it a little touch. I didn't use a top coat, though, so. I mean,
Drier.
it's tacky still.
Yeah.
But
You put a lot of nail polish on there.
I did.
Yeah.
Anyway, that was item number 5. So let's see what else
It says
we
it's
have.
explosive too, so be careful if you're going to use that stuff.
Okay, I'll try.
Don't smoke and use it at the same time.
I mean, I don't smoke, so probably I won't.
I know.
Expose
Also,
the house.
don't have fireworks going off when you're doing
See how he never lets me have any fun. I can't smoke. I can't set off fireworks next to it.
Yeah.
Okay, final item is a box, which looks very familiar. So this is from the brand, oh, what's it called? B&R.
I like the wax seal thing.
So this, Jason, remember I got this perfume, not this one, but from this brand in the advent calendar?
It was for guys and girls?
No, that was a different one.
Oh.
You'll recognize it maybe when you see the bottle shape.
Oh, maybe I do.
Well, it's a little bit different, the bottle shape. Very pretty. You think that this is a small bottle, but I wear it almost every day and I've barely made a dent in my other one.
Smelly.
I still like the nail polish. So this is in the scent Flower Bomb Nectar.
When you breathe in through your nose, it kind of whistles.
That's my nose ring. Whew. Woo!
You good?
It's nice. A little bit goes a long way.
Oh.
It's
Well, that's a nice scent.
but it's nice.
That's a nice scent.
Does it have any notes? Maybe in the pamphlet. All right, so that was, what did we get, 6 items?
Yes.
Yeah. So let's see.
I actually really like that perfume. That's
Yeah,
nice.
what the prices are. Okay, so I just did a quick little look at this, and I'm missing an item. I didn't get the ruby sheet mask, which is valued at $7. So I'll just contact Glossybox. They're usually pretty good at
That's
sending
happened before, right? They sent you
Yeah,
something.
well, BoxyCharm. I've been missing a thing from a box every month for the last little bit.
I'd be really pissed.
That's not a nice word.
Sorry.
Okay. So, here we go. The nails.INC Blossom Kisses nail polish is $11.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Well, you got
So
a
I didn't get the ruby sheet mask, but I think that I got this Miracle Mist instead because I don't see it on here. So the sheet mask was valued at $7. I'm sure that this is equal or more than that.
So just put 7 for that?
Yeah.
Okay.
The Avant Skincare Gentle Rose Beautifying Face Exfoliant is valued at, guess how much this is valued at?
$17.
$114.
Are you serious?
That's what it says.
For that size? No way.
Yeah, I think so.
What's it made out of?
Gold.
Virgin tears
Virgin
and
tears.
roses.
So
You know what? Maybe if they're taking like the essence, like the rose oil, and putting it in that, it would make sense because it would take a lot of roses to get like the oil. Yeah.
So it hydrates intensely and smooths wrinkles with this double duty face exfoliant that leaves the skin soft and supple thanks to its blend of rose and vitamin B5. And then the Collab original dry shampoo is $5.49. So that's a good price for a dry shampoo. The Flower Bomb Nectar by Victor and Roloff perfume. So this is the deluxe mini and it's $23.69. And if you're to buy the full size, it would be $120.
So for our box purposes, put 23.
Yeah. And then the Flower Child temporary tattoos, $12.99. Crazy. So what is our value, Jason?
$173.68.
Holy moly!
That rose cream stuff there. You better
That really put me over the top.
Put that on your like, most delicate areas, I guess. I don't know. Sorry.
That came out wrong. I think that probably came out wrong.
I mean, like of your face.
Yes. Okay, moving on. Let's pick our favorites. I really liked this nail polish color, like really a lot. So I'm gonna pick that first, and then this heck of expensive face exfoliator, and then the.
Well, that's not even a. That's like for like taking dead skin off and everything. It must.
Yeah.
Wow, that's really expensive.
And then this perfume, and then the dry shampoo because I love a good dry shampoo, and then the Miracle Mist for the nails, and then the temporary tattoos, which is a fun little addition.
Yeah, they're cool.
But you know, I have my own tattoos, and I have a giant flower on my back. So badass.
That flower on her back she did in one go, and it's actually pretty big.
Yeah.
Yeah,
so I am kind of a badass.
Yeah.
Well, anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video, and if you wouldn't mind liking and subscribing, you can like and subscribe here. And there's also some nice videos down here if you have nothing better to do. But thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you have a great day. Bye.